In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your YouTube subscribers on desktop. Hiding your YouTube subscriber count can help manage perceptions and reduce pressure, particularly for smaller or newer channels. Without the subscriber count visible, viewers may focus more on the quality of the content rather than being influenced by the channel's popularity, which can be beneficial for engagement. To do this, simply head into your YouTube. On your home page, scroll down onto the option of Settings. You will then select on Privacy right here. In this section, make sure to disable this option. When turned off, your subscription won't be visible to others unless you use features that make them public. That's how easy it is to hide your subscriptions on YouTube. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.